Hello everyone, my name is Fatma Raza and I will be chairing the United Nations Development Program at Lumen 17 this year. And the topic that we will be discussing is the impact of coronavirus pandemic on the Sustainable Development Goals 3, 4, and 5, which are health, education, and gender. The pandemic is something that we're currently faced with, and these are we feel are the very important sustainable development goals which have been the most impacted due to the pandemic. Now, talking about health is the worst hit aspect, and we want to explore how the pandemic has amplified the health systems. uh, and moving forward to education has also been something which students have been deprived of, be it in terms of lack of facilities, in terms of online education, or the quality of education. Hence, we want to dissect it and understand how exactly the pandemic has played a role. And lastly, gender, something that we've heard a lot, that how the pandemic has also played a vital role in creating a distinction and amplifying the gender inequalities within the societies, how women have been um, more impacted due to the pandemic. Hence, our aim is to understand each of these SDGs, how they have been impacted, and how the United Nations Development Goals within its ambit can take a step in order to help solve these issues. And now I will give it over to Nayab, who will talk to you about what, as chairs, we expect from the delegates.
Hello, everyone. I'm Nayab Wali, the second committee director of UNDP. Since Fatma has talked about in detail regarding our topic, I would like to highlight regarding what we expect as committee directors from this topic. At the end of the day, when all the delegates would be leaving this committee, what we personally expect from them is that they are they turn out to be humans who will be responsible towards all these issues. We want all of the delegates, when they leave this room, when they leave this Lumen, they are more responsible, they are more understanding of these issues. We particularly believe that these three are some issues that they continue to be around in our surroundings, but we tend to neglect them. So the first thing that I personally and Fatma, we personally expect every delegate is to think about these issues, to initiate discussions around issues, and think of initiating and starting discussions around policies around these issues. The second most thing is, after like being particularly focusing on these issues, is that being a delegate that leads the entire committee together. The each and every good delegate isn't the one who is there bashing people around, but rather a leader who is moving forward by taking around everyone together. We expect everyone to be respectful of each other. We expect everyone to listen to each and every person, regardless of any sort of discrimination or any sort of other issues. So at the end of the day, we just want two things: to be respectful of other humans and to be responsible around these issues.
Yeah, so Nayab has pretty much covered everything. And even though our study guide is very thorough and we expect you to know it inside out, but obviously, outside research, and if we see that you have actually put in an effort to initiate a discussion, that will obviously help build your image. So that's it from our end. And also, one last thing. So this is an online fair, which is also the first time that all of us are experiencing, all of you are experiencing. So I hope like you're able to adapt to it, and we're also here to help you out in case of any difficulties. Our assistant committee directors are there, so please do reach out to us, and we'll be happy to help you. And see you at the conference. Bye bye.
Bye bye.